Hello, and welcome to KC Restoration. Project File Number 1. Statue Restoration. The St. Joseph Statue. Statues that remain outdoors will decay over time. UV rays from the sun, pollution from vehicles, and harsh weather conditions can all cause visible damage. In Kansas City, our winter weather often creates several freeze-thaw cycles. Ice covers objects at night, then melts during the day and refreezes at night before evaporating. The ice expands and contracts, causing cracks within the stone, glazes, and coatings. Our technicians carefully cleaned the statue, removed environmental growth, and the original coating that was peeling and flaking. Next, they expertly filled cracks and repaired areas of decay throughout the statue. When the restoration was complete, St. Joseph was treated to a new, radiant coating that allowed the beauty of this piece to shine. The finished results are remarkable. The restoration techniques used by our expert team will protect this important statue for years to come. Subscribe to our channel now and share this video with smart and interesting people like you. Contact our team by visiting our website, kcrestoration.com.